Let me as a Jew to answer it to you. I'm not a Muslim, but I wish that the Caliphate would come back, and I'll tell you why.
There's a growing call for the return of Islamic system, the Caliphate, even in Bangladesh.
I wish.
There is a thought in the Western world that the Caliphate is an old system and it's an oppressive system. Even the Muslim won't be protected in it, let alone the minorities.
So let me as a Jew.
Yes, please.
Let me as a Jew to answer it to you. I'm not a Muslim, but I wish that the Caliphate would come back, and I'll tell you why. The Caliphate have a way to protect the poor people. The jizya that we used to pay, it's only for the rich Jews. Poor Jews that didn't have money used to receive tax credit from the Muslims. We, as a Jewish family in Baghdad, our neighbors used to come to bring us sheep for the Jewish holiday Pesach, which is a very expensive holiday. With reference to Caliphate, people making a big mistake. Caliphate was the justice among the Caliphate was amazing. The protection of poor people. Women were very well respected.
Rabbi, do you think if the Khilafah returns today, the world would be a better place for Muslims and all the other minorities?
Of course. We see that the Muslim nation today are divided because world superpowers, in order to weaken the Muslims and to enjoy and to take advantage of their natural amazing resources, which they have combined all over the Muslim area, oil and gold and copper, anything, yes. One strong caliphate from Morocco till Pakistan, till Bangladesh, would be a solid caliphate which will bring a lot of honor, unity, prosperity in spiritualism and in justice, respect for the women.
As a rabbi and according to Judaism, what's the future for the Palestinians and the Palestine, and what's the future of Zionism? I asked the same question to Rabbi Beck, but I would like to hear from you.
The Torah says that Zionism will come to an end. All the rabbis before the Second World War said that the Zionists will be driven out of Palestine, but Jews would remain with the Palestinians.